chat. I'm gonna give you two options. You give me the information I want, or I leave you tied up for the birds.
I don't even know who you are.
You know exactly what you did.
So you got the wrong guy.
Why were you at the same place that Captain George Stacy died?
I told you, I had nothing to do with it.
You're gonna give me your name?
Alright, fine. Keep it!
What's up, Miles? Good, Pete. Man, you're quick, bro. Hey, Miles, you're getting stronger. Dang, you think so? No, I have been working out. Remember, Miles, you're still getting your powers. That's why I always tell you to hold back when you fight. I know. With great power comes great responsibility.
I know. The real question is, have you ever gone all out with it?
No, Miles, there's more to being Spider-Man than going all out on villains.
Come on.
Have you found someone to go to prom yet?
Alright, I haven't found someone yet. But you know how I get. You know how I am. I get down. You just gotta trust the process, Pete.
Alright. Hey, let's go, let's go.
And remember, also remember this, the prom ticket's coming up, all right? Well, look at Mariah and Parker showing up. Hey, no, fellas, get up. I made a new seating chart today because you see you're acting like knuckleheads. Correct. Parker, you got 31. Morales, you got 33. All right, sit down. All right, guys, remember, today we're gonna be doing presentations, all right? So make sure you guys have your stuff ready and all that fun stuff, or get yourself a Chromebook, all right?
Oh, my bad. Oh, are you new around here?
My bad.
I'll take this one anyway.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Remember, get the assignment done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Have a good one.
Good morning, Scots. I'm MJ.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly, and I'm Eddie Brock.
Happy Friday to everyone who is watching.
We have some breaking news about last night's events with Doc Ock and a new spider person who's saving the day now.
Yes, you heard that right. There's a new spider person in town. Doc Ock was arrested and went to jail once again.
Hopefully, he doesn't break out like all other Spider-Man's villains do all the time. If I had superpowers, it'd be a different story.
Okay, let's move on with the show. We promise to keep you updated with any new information about this event.
Let's get into the announcements for today.
We have our own J. Jonah Jameson with one big announcement standing by the finance office.
Hello, Scots. J. Jonah Jameson here. Prom tickets are going up for sale next week on Monday, so make sure you get your tickets here at the finance office. And remember to follow the dress code if you plan on attending the event this year. And remember, Spider-Man and his sidekicks, whoever they may be, are villains in this city, and not to be trusted as heroes.
Who's that new spider person that stopped Doc Ock last night? Because we both know it wasn't us.
Bro, to be honest, I was gonna ask you the same question. Like, I couldn't even figure it out myself. But do you have any leads on that, MJ?
I don't. But we need to find out quickly. Someone said that Doc Ock lost all 4 of his robotic arms. Like someone ripped them apart from his back.
Yeah, the person who was fighting Doc Ock wasn't holding back.
Dang, bro, the villains are trying to make a 3-1 comeback, bro. Like Curry did in that one finals run.
Yeah. Anyways, We gotta do some work to find out who this new spider person is. I'll swing by your house 8 p.m. to go on patrol.
Alright, that sounds good. Anyways, MJ, you happen to know the new girl?
Yeah, I was helping her by showing her around the school yesterday.
By any chance you think you could, like, introduce me to her?
Peter told me that you've been obsessing with her since you first saw her.
Yeah, he stopped during his presentation just to stare at her like a weirdo.
Bro, it wasn't even that bad, dude.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, alright, whatever.
To answer your question, Miles, I have her in my next class with Mr. Thompson.
Oh, so what you're saying is you can introduce me to her, because I got my prom tickets today, so like...
I'll try my best.
Alright guys, let's go to class.
Alright, Pete, I'll catch you later.
What's up, Miles?
Bro, what's going on, Pete?
How was period?
You know, it was whatever, you know, learning, all that stuff.
You don't learn.
I do learn. What? MJ, hello. Going, don't have a handshake, but you know. Alright. So, about when?
She says she couldn't make it today because she has an emergency, but she said maybe tomorrow.
Spider-Man. We gotta get Spider-Man, Kingpin.
I know, Goblin, and I have a plan for that. But I need you to go gather some people for me.
You know they're not gonna do it for free, Kingpin.
Don't worry about it. Here's a list of people I want you to get for me.
Understood. Somebody wants to see you.
What's the job?
I've got a job for you. I know someone that can put your talents to great use. You'd be a great addition to the team.
Goblin, before we have this meeting with the group, I need to ask you a couple questions.
Yes and yes to your 2 questions.
You got the venom, correct?
I got the job done and no one else did. You finished capping off, right?
Don't question me. Where's the venom at?
I got the hub right here. So I may or may not have left it back at the lab.
Are you serious?
It's okay, it's okay. It's in a very secure place where no one can possibly get it.
Whatever. Let's just get this meeting started. Who are you?
I'm the Green Goblin.
I am Scorpion.
The name's Shocker.
I am Chameleon.
Name's Tombstone.
What do you think of the work environment?
It's pretty alright. Rather just be home.
Comfortable.
Honestly, I'm here for tater tots.
I mean, I think it's a pretty good work environment. I think I can pretty say that all the other villains like me.
It's pretty good since I'm in it.
Who are your least favorite villain in the group?
If I'm gonna be honest, Doc Ock and a little bit of Scorpion.
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 I hate Scorpion.
Personally, I don't really like the Shocker that much.
What do you think about Spider-Man?
I hate Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? Oh, I love...
Don't like the guy. Just told my slice of pizza one day.
I don't really know what his big deal is, but I want to put him down for good.
Goblin, where's Kingpin?
Let me get the Zoom call ready. He'll be with us shortly. Kingpin! You gotta turn your camera on, Kingpin.
Listen up, everyone. We still have 2 problems.
2 problems? What are you even talking about?
Any of the news about Doc Ock? Let me finish talking and I'll explain everything.
How do we still have two problems? Doc Ock's not even a part of our group. He was too weak.
We need to take care of Spider-Man and his little sidekick.
Pay attention!
Could you guys let the man talk like me and Chameleon?
What about me, boss?
Be quiet and listen, everyone. We have two problems on our hands. First, we need to take care of Spider-Man and his little sidekick. Then find out who that new spider person is.
New spider person? How'd you find out about this information, Kingpin?
Well, the new spider person put Doc Ock into a coma, and he might not make it. My source from the police station told me the details.
So are we gonna call ourselves the Sinister Seven now? Cause you're talking like this new person wants to be a villain like us. I mean, that's great and all, but Doc Ock was so weak.
Shocker, if you talk one more time, I'm gonna take you out myself.
That's my fault, boss.
That's a great idea.
This new spider person, they didn't hold back against Doc Ock, and that's gonna be a problem for all of us, right?
He's right, boss.
Doc Ock was the weakest villain in the city. I don't feel bad for him.
We're gonna take care of Spider-Man and his little sidekick first. Then we're gonna move towards that new spider person.
I want to meet this new spider person and see what kind of powers they possess.
Alright, listen up. Highland's Prom is in 2 days. That's when we'll attack Spider-Man and his little sidekick. We're gonna show up and overpower them. And this time, they won't have anywhere to swing away to. Alright, stop laughing, everyone. We've got work to do.
There's no point. Kingpin is too hard to track. I can't give up though. I need to get revenge for what he's done to me, and especially my dad.
you got?
You know what I got.
No, I don't. That's what I'm asking.
Why are you here if you don't know what I got?
Because I want to know what you got.
So you came here with no money? Help me. Oh yeah. Bang bang. Hey, come on, step up, y'all. Play defense. Play defense. Here we go. Nah, that's out of here. You know that's even that's just a game at this point, y'all. Hey, bro, hold up. I might have to get off. Yo, Pete. You know, whenever you see this, give me a call, man. You know, I thought we were supposed to go out on patrol, and you know, sun's starting to go down. You know, thought you said 6, 7 o'clock. It's already 6:30. So just give me a call whenever, man. You know, I'm gonna go head out. All right. Come on. God, I need a new suit so bad. Cold and lonely out here, dude. I bet you Peter's somewhere, probably at Yogurt Zone, getting frozen yogurt with MJ. Meanwhile, I'm out here, waiting for anything to happen. Probably like that noise that just happened. Should I check that out? Definitely not. My instincts tell me no, but I'm gonna go anyway. Oh God, it's like whoever's over there, just give me a minute, I'm tired. I hope no one's looking. God. Good stretch going. Should I get off of this? It's slow.
Good morning, Scots. I'm MJ. We have some breaking news again here at Highland. Sadly, Eddie Brock is missing and 2 people were attacked last night near the wall. We have no information about Eddie Brock and about last night's attack. If you have any information, please reach out to Officer Calderon because he has connections with Spider-Man. Let's go with J. Jonah Jameson with some information.
Hello, Scots. I am at the location of last night's events, and I have a strong feeling that Spider-Man was responsible for the attack on those 2 people here last night. I am also to believe that Spider-Man's little sidekick, whoever they may be, is the one who is currently holding Eddie Brock, one of my employees at the Bugle. Remember this, Highland. Spider-Man and his team are the true villains here.
First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, flowers.
So I thought Miles was gonna come with us.
I don't know where he's at.
Wait up! There he is.
Oh man.
What's up, Miles?
Dude, it's so hot out here. My mom was stressing how tucked in my shirt is, and I still
I know your mom was stressing.
so much, dude. And you don't know anything about Latina parents, or Latin parents in general. But let me tell you, that's a story for a different time. But anyways, speaking of time, it's about that time I go find Gwen.
Go find Gwen.
I'll see you guys later.
Hi?
You're Gwen, right?
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Miles. So, you're new here, right?
Yeah, I've only been here a couple of days. Hey, don't I know you?
You might. I'm, sort of well known, so I don't know. You didn't have to.
No, you're the kid in my video production class. Oh my god, you're the kid that tried to grab the same Chromebook as me. And you tried to be smooth about it. That was lame.
It wasn't
Oh my gosh.
trying to be smooth. I was smooth, but I tried to block that one out because it wasn't my best game, but
Right. Okay.
You ready?
I'm gonna be the best reporter in town.
And I'm gonna be the best scientist.
Are you still trying to be Spider-Man at the same time?
The city still needs me and Miles.
I
just
know,
in case.
but...
MJ, I promise I'll give up the suit. Just to be the best partner for you, because I love you.
I love you too, Peter.
I hope prom's gonna be fun, because it was expensive for all the tickets.
The tickets were so expensive. It was the last of the money that I had left.
I think the entrance is over there. MJ, let's go. Go find Miles.
I don't want to.
Go find Miles.
All right, everyone. Today's the day we take over the city and make some changes. Are you all ready?
Yeah! But boss, look! There's a big monster and he's beating up Spider-Man and he's taking all the credit.
Okay, so how many championships have you won?
I got 3 to my name. That's what
Okay,
I'm saying.
because you were mentioning.
Real hooper. That's what I was mentioning, right? Or was it the tennis?
No, it was the wrestling.
Oh God, I forgot I told you about those.
Yeah, like.
Yes.
Miles, there's a new villain outside. He's fighting Peter with the Sinister Six and Kingpin.
Okay.
I hope he's hanging in there.
Peter?
Pete, what happened?
Are you okay?
Maybe you still do your power.
I can fix this, Pete. I can fix it.
Can you stop? Last dance.
Go, Tombstone.
Squash him, little bug. That was a good one, eh, Gob?
Just had a vampire already.
Yeah.
Where's Kingpin?
He's over there. Wait. Scorpion, get her.
Are you sure you want to do this right now?
Yes! Look at this! Think of all the destruction these Spider-Men are going to cause!
Okay, going live in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, everyone. It's prom day here at Highland High School, and the Sinister Six have crashed the party. On top of this, the Masked Menace and his little sidekick have only made things worse by destroying everything. And it is only a matter of time before they...
Leaving that stupid live stream right now would be the last thing you ever do.
Yes, sir.
I told you this is a bad idea.
Spider-Man is still a villain.
Gave him the Iron Mike, baby.
Come on back.
You know, it's not that bad, actually. Great. One more. One more. Hey! I told you to stop, man! Oh, great! Dude, where are you going? You didn't even let me get to finish my one line. And I get a lot of those, but I like that one. Whoa, where are you going, man? You know, it kind of sucks that this is our final showdown, you know? I thought you put more of a fight, but you know. All right, bud. It's time to go night-night. Bro, look at him. Oh, he's out cold. Oh, he's cold. Ooh! Oh, that's too easy, man. Let me get my phone. I gotta take a picture of this, man. God. Put the camera. Come on. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh! Dude, you hit me in the freaking nose, man. I should stomp you out, but I'm not like that. Hello? I hope he's not dead. Come on. I should probably get that picture now. Great. You made me lose my phone too. I want you to know that. Whenever you wake up, I'm gonna call the authorities and they're gonna help me find it. And I'm reporting you for it. Come on.
Why does it concern you?
Well, because...
Stop trying to hide it. I know who you are.
You what?
Gwen Stacy. What do you think I am? Stupid? Of course I know who you are.
Gwen, that's enough! Listen to me, you can't do that. If you were to kill him, you'll be just like him, just another criminal.
Who are you?
Do you remember the Chromebook? I won't let you kill him, so stop, or I'll make you.
You know, guys, maybe next time we should learn from our mistakes and be a better team.
Shocker, shut up.
You know, I don't really know what to say, so I'm just gonna say quip, and then you guys can like insert something funny there. So, quip.
Another easy day for me again. Thank you, Spider-Man.
Good morning, Scots. Last night's events during prom were terrible, and we suffered the loss of someone who many would consider a true hero. Spider-Man passed away during the battle between the Sinister Six and a new villain referred to as Venom. Spider-Man will be remembered here by the people of Highland as a legend. Principal Vikstrom had this final message to give. Rest easy, Spider-Man, and thank you for always saving the city.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm okay. I miss him so much, you know?
Yeah, I know how you feel. You know, he's like my best friend, so it's hard without him being here.
Yeah. But you were his best friend, and he was always proud of you.
She's right, Miles. You're a really great Spider-Man. He'd be really proud of you.
Do you have a nickname like Spider-Woman or Spider-Girl?
Yeah, it's Ghost Spider, but I prefer people to call me Spider-Gwen.
Yeah, because the first one's lame.
Yep. It's a nice nickname.
Jameson gave it to you, huh?
No.
Wow.
I gotta go. I'm having dinner with my Aunt May. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, see ya.
Later. You know what's one thing I forgot to do?
What?
I forgot to ask you to that, you know, the dance, the prom.
Seriously?
Well, yeah, I mean, prom's over now, so I have to make up for it. So
No.
you don't want to go out?
I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. Where are we going?
Wow. You know, hold back sometimes. Anyways, yeah, I don't care. We can go anywhere. You can pick.
Mall shop.
I could go for a juicy burger right now.
I want a pastrami sandwich.
They have those?
Saturday in the afternoon.
Afternoon?
Afternoon.
You don't want to go now?
Or we can go now.
We can go now.
Alright, let's go now.
School's already
Let's go.
out. We're just sitting here. Might as well go now.
Metro! Just to save you. Ooh, yo. I give my all. Hey, ooh. Just to save you, I give all of me. Yeah, I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall for me. So to save you, I give my all. Just to save you, I give all of me. I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall for me. So to save you, I give my all.
You fell for me, I count on you when times are tough. Instead of holding you down, I should lift you up. It hurts me when you start to see my flaws, but just to save you, I risk it all. Short on time for you, I never have enough. When I ran into you, I didn't plan on falling in love. Always there to wipe your tears, I hate to see you cry. If you tell me to jump, I ask you how high. I know sometimes it'd be hard for me to tell the truth, but I go through any obstacle to get to you.
Alright, well.
So, I was talking to my professor over at my college that I'm going to.
Yeah.
And apparently I get to take a archaeology class.
Okay.
So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh.
We need you to join our Spidey Society.
Do I get a watch?
No.
You know, You know the convention center's downtown, right?
To you, I'm not materialistic, but I got a thing for you. Treat the world like my guitar, I'm pulling strings for you.
Just to save you, I give all of me. I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall for me. So to save you, I give my all. Just to save you, I give all of me. I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall for me. So to save you, I give my all.
Let me be your hero. You held me down, I was stuck at the bottom. Hit Elliot, I get you lit off. I know they can't stand me. I am the one that busts down your rose.